Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. I am 24 today, that's crazy. Sorry I'm kind of whispering, our roommate's still sleeping. But here is the outfit for today. I got this nice little belt, some jeans, a white shirt, and then a blazer. So I actually have to leave in a little bit. I'm meeting my mom for coffee and breakfast. Yeah, I'm really excited. This is my first birthday and I don't even know how long that I'm actually like excited about it. So, and it's cold. It's 59. It has been like 80s and like 70s this week, and then today it dropped down to 59. Like, oh, but it's okay. It's gonna be sunny, which it's been kind of gloomy and rainy all week, so it's gonna be sunny today. It's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna do like a little birthday weekend in my life. So today is Friday. Today is my actual birthday. So basically the plan for today is I'm getting breakfast with my mom, and then I think we might go for a walk or do something, and then when Nick gets home, then me and him will do something, maybe just like get dinner or something, I don't know. Tomorrow, I don't think there's really a whole lot planned, and then Sunday, I'm celebrating with my family. So what we have done for years is, whoever birthday it is, they get to choose where they want to go for dinner, and I used to always pick Spaghetti Warehouse, but this year I am doing Olive Garden. So I'm really excited. So we're gonna do that Sunday. So yeah, I just thought I'd kind of take you guys along. Oh, this is our old cat tree that was inside. We got them a new one. I did take some clips of that, so I'll insert that. So we got a new cat tree because this, what used to be up here, right? It used to be up here, but then the cats did a lot of parkour on this, and this little thing, this little bed thing was Nick's creation. So we got them a new cat tree. Lucas, I would like you to back up, please. So how tall is this one? You can talk in the background if you want.
I'm trying to remember.
Oh.
102 inches tall.
102 inches, which is a little bit shorter than this ceiling, but we're gonna do something to make that work. So, excuse me. Okay. Oh, this is the finished product. I can't see it. So this is what it's gonna look like. Alright, now we just have to put that together. And Lucas is gonna help us. Hey!
What's up?
As Nick likes to call it, I'm working. Oh yeah, so it has a little...
I'm working too.
Yeah, Nick's my cameraman. So it has a hammock, and then it has one of these, and then it also has one of these where it's like a clear ball, so you can just like see through them. You good, Tony?
You put those over here so he doesn't go.
You are in my way, dude. Alright. A bunch of those. Are these the parts that go up, like on the ceiling and stuff? Okay.
This is the clear one.
It's acrylic. This is gonna get very dirty very fast.
Uh-huh.
That's okay. Alrighty. Alright, let's see. Oh. These are like gloves.
That's the extending part.
Yes, I figured. Gotta have little. Oh, it's a. Oh, Lee, this is the clear.
That makes more
That'll
sense.
fit Rose, right?
It'll be
She'll
full.
make it fit or make herself fit.
Her belly will fit in there.
Alright. I have lots of scratching parts. Ooh. Cool. Nice little thing. Oh, okay, and then there's thing that goes in here. Alright. Whoa, why does it have these things?
Took to
I
the
guess
wall.
we'll. Huh?
Took to the wall.
There's 4 of them.
Whatever position you're at, I think.
I keep thinking I found the base and then I. Hey! Does that mean this is the base?
I don't know.
Alright, we got all the pieces out. Here, Lucas! Look, here's a box. Starting with this guy. Right here. 3. It does, it has 3. Are you helping me, buddy? Okay, so I need. Do you want to get me, like these? I think these are all the same. I need W3. I need 6 of them.
I need to know what W3 is. If you want to give me one.
Yeah. Alright, and then we need 3.
Yeah, let's go through this first. Here.
It doesn't matter
No.
which way the U is facing, right?
I don't think so.
Well, it's just.
If it's the same on both sides, it's.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Alright. Do you want to
They're already in the box.
get me the things? Well, I need the screws.
Oh, sorry.
And I don't know if they're lined up or not. I'm just gonna hope for the best. These are too big. These are way too big.
Okay. What's too big?
The screw.
Well, that's a W6.
Well, I need a W3.
Or a W3.
Well, no, it's not. Okay.
Sorry, the cat's
Well,
getting cute.
Huh? That's fine. Here's the thing. I don't know where. Okay, well, there's the hole, but I don't know how to line it up. How am I supposed to
That's
line
on
it
you.
up? You can't even see it. Oh, I have one. Oh, wait, no. I want to be there. Oh, yes, yes. Lucas. Where's the damn hole? That's there. This thing's so stupid.
Oh, this is cute. On the spring.
I can't.
Do you want me to-
I can't.
do you want me to?
I'm gonna lose it.
Do you want me to do it? Okay. cookie?
I got one. It's not as easy as I make it look. Okay, so update. Nick had to put this together. I got frustrated. But we are working on the base of it now. So, oh, Lucas, Mom's old.
What is it?
It's just a board. Straight.
Is it that one?
Huh?
Is it that one?
No, that's B. It's smaller. We're also missing E. Oh wait! I found them.
Hold on, I need a beautiful.
I need M, which is one of the toys.
Which one? They're all different.
Replacement dangle toy?
Does it have a spring or no?
No.
Does it
That's
have
L.
Does it have a thread? Does it screw into something?
Yes. Alright, so we did all of those.
Update.
Now,
Update.
update.
Wait. We're not in update mode.
This is what we've got. So now we're doing the next big platform. Which should be...
Yeah.
I didn't like that one. These Gahanas.
Wow. This guy's massive.
As tall as me. Don't say it's taller,
It is.
because I won't believe you.
Well, there's video proof.
I'm taller.
Are you gonna be able to do the top?
All right. No, the cats aren't spoiled at all. All right, now we're gonna do this. Bubba?
I think she knows she
Rose! Hi! Here's the finished look. This thing is huge. But yeah, so now I have this really tall one. I think I had I think I had shown the full one, but here it is all together, and then Nick put some cards up there to fill the gap, but it's huge. And the crazy part is so I'm short. Nick is tall. Nick is 6'6", and Nick had to use a chair to get like the very top done, if that tells you how tall it is or anything. So, yep. So that's the plan. I'm going to go and meet my mom for breakfast. So that'll be really nice, and then we'll just kind of go from there. Yep. Hi guys. So it's been a few hours. I went and got breakfast with my mom. We went to the Flying Joe, which is in Levis Commons. If you're from around here, you know where that is. They've actually expanded since the last time that we went. It's so nice. And then we walked around Levis Commons and got a little few goodies. So we went to Books A Million and got The 10th Girl by Sarah Faring. If you care at all, this is what it's about. You can screenshot that. And then we also went to Fiddlesticks, and me and my mom got, once it focuses, there we go. So it says like mother, like daughter. We got matching bracelets. And then she also, it's by Sela V. She got me a necklace, and it says Survivor. So it says, you're still standing, even more beautiful in spite of it all. The survivors of this saga, pearls of precious wisdom, wear this necklace and know that you transformed impossible grit into unbreakable strength. So basically she saw that and she thought of me. Don't know why it's not focusing, but she thought of me because of everything that I've kind of gone through, and then just like all the growth and stuff that I've had over the past years, and especially this past year. So yeah, so I'm gonna put those on. Oh, I can also show you. So I had shown you that Nick got me the Polaroid camera. Well, because this man is amazing and I do not deserve him, he got me two other gifts. So he got me Obsessed by James Patterson. Here is what this one is about. If you guys are interested, you can screenshot that to read. It was a little cold. It's now up to 65. So we're doing better. And then I watched it this morning. He also got me this cup. So it has a G for Gryffindor. And it's like the matte, and then it's got like a silicone bottom so it doesn't slip. And it's got this little lid, and it's awesome. So yeah, so far, birthday is great. So now it is 12:45. So if you can hear fighting, that is what is going on. So I think actually I'm going to watch, Hocus Pocus, my favorite Halloween movie I got. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus phone case. So I think I'm gonna watch Hocus Pocus and relax for the afternoon until Nick comes home. And we are going to put these on. So I have to figure out for dinner because it's my decision. Let's see if I can, there. Because it's my decision, because it's my birthday, I get to decide where we go for dinner. And so I was like, okay, well, I don't know if I want to like go out someplace or if I just want to like go someplace, pick something up, and then do like a picnic dinner with just Nick at like a park. I don't know. Okay, so this is the bracelet, and we're just gonna put it on like that. Cute, right? So it's like mother, like daughter. This lovely charm I give you, like mother, like daughter. It really is true. So that's cool. Okay, so now I gotta figure out how to, you just, whoops, tip it over. What is this? What does this say? Oh, cool. So yeah, so I have to figure out what I want to do for dinner. If I want to like actually go someplace or if I just want to like, you know, just get something and do like a picnic. I don't know. So I will probably come back on later. I'll have this on. So this is what it'll look like. Oh, this necklace I always wear. So I did have 3 necklaces on. I had a pineapple, then I had a cat, which the cat Nick got me last Christmas. But this necklace, there you go. So this necklace is just a simple heart, and then it has 1 diamond right there. Now it won't focus on me. Our very first, okay, there we go. So me and Nick's first Christmas together, he went to Jared's. He got me this. So it's a real diamond in there, and then it's just a simple heart. So he got me this for our first Christmas. So I have never taken it off since, and I am not taking it off ever. At least for the foreseeable future. So that's what that is. So I always have to find something to stack with this. So now I have this necklace. So I'll have both of these. So yeah, I will probably get back on maybe when he gets home, like when we're gonna go figure out dinner and everything. So, but yep, that's been like my entire morning. So it's just been really nice. It's like the only sunny day for like the next week. So I'm really soaking up the sun and just enjoying it. Oh, you cannot see me. Okay, hey guys. So we actually just got back from dinner. We went kind of early. It's 7 now. So me and Nick normally don't drink. It's just not something that we really do. But because it's my birthday, we got some White Claw after dinner and we are going to celebrate, and we're actually going to play some pool. So we went to Red Robin for dinner. It was really good. Right now there's like this limited edition caramel apple pie milkshake. Nick got it. I tasted it. Delicious. Chef's kiss. So if you like that kind of stuff, it tastes just like an apple pie, and there's like actual like apple like chunks in there. Highly recommend if you like apple pie and you go to Red Robin. But yeah, so we just picked up a pack of White Claw. We're gonna just have some drinks and play some pool. So yep, I kept my shirt on, but I just put some like comfy sweat shorts on just to be nice and comfy while we play pool. So I'm really excited. Also, our roommate made some pumpkin bread and made like a cream cheese frosting on top. So it was baking when we left for dinner. So I'm really excited to try it. So yeah, so that's what's going on. That's the deal for the rest of this night. We're just gonna kind of celebrate, relax, have fun, enjoy the night, and play some pool. Probably, I'm assuming we'll probably jam to music while we play pool. We do tend to do that a lot. We have a big speaker hooked up for it, or sometimes we'll have something like playing that we're watching, but most of the time it's music. So that's the deal for tonight. So I'll probably just like get some clips, or Nick will get some clips of us playing pool. So yeah, that's the plan. Hey guys, so it's actually Sunday. I didn't record at all yesterday. My mom ended up coming over. We just kind of hung out. I just kind of like took the day, spent it with Nick, relaxed, and just kind of enjoyed the day. Didn't really do much. So the last clip that you saw was actually Friday night. Me and Nick were playing pool. So now it's Sunday, and I'm actually getting ready. We're doing my birthday dinner with my family tonight. We're going to Olive Garden. So I'm super excited. So I thought I would just kind of get on and talk to you guys while I got ready. Right now, okay, listen. I got up and it was like 39 degrees outside. It's ridiculous. It's October. It's too early for that. So I've just had this little sweat. So, oh, but we did, so yesterday, well actually Friday night, we stopped at this place called Hobby Town around here, and just to like check it out because we'd never been there. It's so cute, and we ended up getting a 3D puzzle of the Night Bus from Harry Potter. Oh, there we go. So we actually ended up making that last night. So I'll insert a clip here of that. Okay, so I found the missing piece. We did it on our pool table, and it was in one of the pockets. So I can show you the inside. So this is what it looks like. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. So it says the Night Bus. That's the head. It's like, yeah, take it away, Erin. It's going to be a bumpy ride. So then this is that. This is like the luggage, the back end of it. This side, even underneath, has like all of this, which is so cool. Okay, so now we gotta put this piece on. Alrighty, let's see here. I'll take, I'm gonna lose more pieces. Oh my god, I literally said that as a joke. I didn't mean we're dead. deal with that in a second. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna take the top off. Okay, try and keep it together. So yeah, if you've never done a 3D puzzle before, it's kind of thick. It's got like foam. Let's see. Well, yeah, you can kind of see. So that's a chandelier, and it goes like all the way down. So that's the piece that we were missing. Let's put this piece in here. Boom. I'm just looking at it. So that's done. And now that's done. So that's the inside of it. Now, I gotta find this piece that I dropped. I think it's the middle piece too. Fudge. Fudge-a-roonies. Fudge-a-roonies. Let's see here. Okay. We might have a slight hiccup.
What?
Well, when I was taking 3 pieces off the back to get the top off, a couple of them flung.
Flung how? I saw the pieces.
Down.
You talking
Wait,
about? It's
there was
2
only
pieces.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there were 3. I didn't lose a piece. Woo! I didn't lose a piece. So that's how it looks when it's all put together. But yeah, so we did that last night, which was really fun. And then today, Nick gave me my card. Okay, so here's the card. It says, "Happy birthday to you, LaQueen." There we go, now it's focused. So this is the card. And then on the inside he wrote a sweet note. And then this is where we put the night bus. And it also has like an inside part, which is so cool. There we go. It has an inside part too that like has like walls that like stand up that are decorated. And oh my word. He is the sweetest. Like, he's the sweetest. So the card is hanging up on our fridge. I'll show you that in a minute. But it came with this magnet on it. This also kind of gives you an idea of what the card is. It's basically just this, just bigger printed on the whole thing. It says LaQueen. So the card just has like this. So it's like a LaCroix thing. Like a little LaCroix can. So it has that, and then it says, I think it's like happy birthday to, and then it's like my LaQueen. Super cute. And then on the inside it's just all like handwritten from him. It was so sweet. It made me cry. So yeah, so now we're gonna get ready for dinner, and then I'll show you the card outside or on the fridge. So it's still pretty cold. It's 56. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do a simple white shirt and then this skirt. Little action, and then with a sweater over top. Okay, there we go. Here, let's turn the light on earlier. Okay, so here's the final look. I don't know what to do about my hair. I think I'm just gonna change it, maybe fix it up so it looks a bit nicer. So we just have this white shirt and then this skirt. I think this skirt I got from a friend. This shirt I've had for years, I don't know. And then as far as jewelry, I'm just wearing the necklace that Nick got me, the necklace my mom got me, and then the matching bracelet with my mom. So yeah, let's see what we want to do about this. Oh, and Nick said that that's not for this day. Nick said that I have to wear this. So it's just like it's just a magnet. So he said I had to walk in with it on like that. So then, because also it's freezing, we're just gonna wear this sweater that has a bunch of stuff all over it. So let's pick all of these off first. So yeah, so sorry I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I was just we weren't really doing much, and I was just kind of enjoying time with family and with Nick. So, but my birthday was really nice. So I went and got breakfast with my mom in the morning, then we went shopping, and then, you know, I came home, I watched Hocus Pocus, and then me and Nick went to Red Robin for dinner, which was really nice, and then came back and we played some pool and had a bunch of fun. So yeah, it was a really nice birthday. And then even, you know, today, just chilling, we did our weekly grocery. So we have all of our groceries for this week for meals. So I'm excited about that. Oh, so because I have, here, I'm gonna fix my hair. So because I got a couple more books for my birthday, let me be a bit closer. Because I got a couple more books for my birthday, where I keep them in our little TV thing, it was just big enough for those 2 books. I don't have any more room, and I know I'm gonna get books for Christmas. So me and Nick are gonna build a bookshelf, and I'm really excited. I still need to kind of like get ideas, figure out like what I want, and then we're gonna build it and I'm gonna paint it. So I'm really excited, so stay tuned because I am going to record that and get that up for you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Oh, this is seeming even worse. You know what? Maybe we will just do a ponytail. You can't see anything, but the bun's not really working out. So I think we're just gonna do a ponytail. We'll get Nick's opinion. He really likes when I put it in a ponytail, so he'll probably say that he likes it, and that'll be that. And then gotta add the sweater. So here is the final look. So we just got this little sweater. It's got a slit on this side and then also a slit over here. So nice and comfortable and so warm. And then I don't remember where I got the sweater. Don't remember. But I think as far as shoes, I need to dust them off because I don't wear like heels or like really dress up that much, like ever. I don't remember where I got these, but they're super cute. Super cute. I've worn them once. I wore them for our wedding that we went to in June. They're super comfortable too. So, Target. I'm pretty sure I got these at Target. And they were really affordable too. These, I think, will put together our birthday outfit. I don't know if I'm feeling the ponytail with this look. I don't know. We'll ask Nick. Yep, so then these are the shoes. this is the outfit.